everybody, my name's Bunny.
And I'm Grumpy.
And we are Challenge Me Sisters. And this is Challenge Us Halloween.
Or we can also call it the Lazy Cooks because we're dealing with food again. Actually, right now, I know it's kind of the end of the week. It's kind of almost the beginning. Doesn't matter. Here, let me have your glass. We'll be making a drink of the week. And this week is nonsense. That's all it is. It doesn't have a name. Okay. We'll pour a little bit of each. It's supposed to be frozen, but we waited too long, and now that's good. Kind of juicy. Okay, so what we got here is Luigi. It was from the Dollar Tree. It's a Luigi's Real Italian Ice. I don't know if I can show you that. No. Yep. Okay, next up, we've got some blue raspberry V8 Splash. Would you like to pour some of that in each? Thank you. And next up, we got some V8 Smoothie Tropical Colada. Okay, would you like to pour some of that in each?
We need shot glasses for this.
Yeah. Shot. Oh, I have a shot glass. And it's a skull, too. Next up, we've got some Clover Valley Blood Orange Soda. Would you like to pour some of that in each?
Give me that salsa too, I'll put it in there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, let me get it. I can't do that.
No, I was joking. Knock it off. No!
No, it's fine. I'll drink it. I'm gonna have something to stir with here. Gives a little extra something.
That's disgusting.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
No!
Really? No. It adds something delicious. Oh.
No. You keep me away from your creepy drinks.
Okay, whatever. Please stop slamming stuff on the table. I don't think our viewers would like that. I had some cheese and vodka. Oh, yeah.
Alright, so our next thing is going to be witch's brooms. So you take some pretzel sticks of any size, shape, forms, and cheese sticks. We have
Careful.
Winco brand cheese sticks. They're low moisture.
But I don't think it really matters what moisture level you get your cheese sticks at. Be vegetarian.
Give me the pretzels.
Okay. Oh. It's good.
And these are Clover Valley, which are from the Dollar General. Pretzels. They're just little sticks.
It's okay. It can be viewed.
So you take your pretzel sticks and you pull your cheese out of your package. Lay it down on your whatever you're going to cut on. I shouldn't be cutting
here
on this because if I do, Mom's gonna whoop my butt.
Yeah, this is her like $600 table.
And you take your pretzel sticks and you stick it into the cheese like this. And there's a hair in it.
Delicious, all of our cats.
And then you take your pretzels, you take your cheese and you
start peeling.
Yeah.
Don't peel all the way down.
Nope. You peel halfway down. And once you get done, it should look like a broom.
Yeah, keep going and going. Even towards the middle. It should end up looking like this. at the end. Ooh. Oh.
You broke it.
Yeah. Just make sure you have your pretzels centered.
There. So it should look like a broom.
Mm-hmm.
And then you set it up on whatever you're going to do.
Yeah.
And then you eat it.
Oh, yeah. Okay. You can have that last piece of cheesesteak. Okay. Or you can make them with toothpicks. You just stick your toothpick up in there and you repeat the same process. Make sure to eat the ones that fall off. Don't tell anyone.
Broom.
We've actually taken these ones right here with the toothpicks and made some. You could take pinwheels, just some tortilla, whipped cream, that's it, and some meat.
Whipped cream?
Sour cream.
Cream cheese.
That's it, cream cheese. And you just stick them up on there. So you got a little guy riding your pinwheel. Or, wow. Or it looks like a creepy ghost. Ooh, scary. Yeah. We have a few other ones pre-made over here. So delicious.
Alright.
I make a failure one.
Our next one is going to be pinwheels.
Yes. And make sure to
Actually, let's do the salsa and cream cheese first.
Yeah. So we're gonna make a special dip of ours. It's
Hand me the plate and the chips. You may have to cut this bit out. No, I mean make it so it's not so loud.
well, no, it's fine.
And we got special chips. We have pumpkins.
Yummy.
Oh, these things.
I'll believe it. What?
Oh gosh.
Yeah. You're just gonna have to tell them.
So these are what they look like down here. They have like bats and ghosts and goblins and
No, it's bats, ghosts, and pumpkins.
okay, whatever. I've never seen these before. This is the first year I've seen these. I got these at Winco. You can use anything with the cream cheese and salsa dip you want. We're gonna use just tortilla chips.
Close. Okay. So for the dip, we got a bowl. We're going to take our cream cheese and just kind of put it in the bowl.
Salty.
Your finger if you must. Okay. Okay. And then you take your salsa, you pour it as much as you want or as little as you want into the bowl. Probably need more than that. It's a good amount, so it looks like that. And then you mix it. You can put it in a blender, a food processor, or you can use a hand mixer. It depends on how lumpy you like it. Say you don't like the salsa lumps, You can put the salsa, you can put it in a blender or food processor to get out all the lumps. Or you can just use a hand mixer. It kind of helps blend it a little better.
One year I made like 3 huge bowls of this and I used my hands.
Mm-hmm.
You added too much salsa.
I see that. Oh, got another spoon here though. The recipe is negotiable depending on how you like it. Sometimes if you use the non-whipped stuff, the just brick, it's easier to warm it up a little bit in the microwave before adding your salsa to it. It helps blend it better unless you use it room temperature. This whip stuff is weird though.
That's why I like using a blender with the whips.
Mm. Give me a second.
Let's see.
You just gotta mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. And always refrigerate any leftovers.
Because it is cream cheese. Okay. And this is what should look, not so goopy, but this is what it should look like after it's done.
It should
It
be
should be like
thicker.
a pale pink, kind of like a salmon color.
No, lighter than that. It's just basically light pink.
And since we use the whips, it's pretty whipped up. Okay. So what you can do is you can dip these into it. I don't like the lumps of salsa.
Or you can take a chip and dip it in there. It's good for parties, games, events.
You can take them. You can take it to a potluck.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys. Let's get on to the pinwheels.
Yes, hold on. Ooh, scheiße. We need to clean up our table better. Alright, so I'll set this stuff here. And I'll take this. I'll need that last broom.
What you're gonna need for the pinwheels is tortillas of your own choice. We are using Don
Poncho.
And they have to be flour tortillas.
Need whipped cream. You can use. Damn it! I said whipped cream again. It's cream cheese. We're actually just using a Winco brand. It was cheap, you know.
You're
Lazy.
gonna need lunch meat of your own choice. Salami. We've got some turkey here and some salami. And cheese of your own choice. We're using the string cheese. And what you're going to do is open your tortillas, pull a couple out, close said tortillas.
Good.
Put said tortilla on your table. Take your said cream cheese. And you're going to put it on your said tortilla. You can use as little or as much as you want.
We need to get better lighting.
Why?
Oh, mine. You can't really see it.
It's okay.
Oh well. They can see yours at least.
So you spread it out as thin or as thick as you want.
A whole container for one. And it doesn't matter depending on. It doesn't matter what size tortilla you use. You can add lettuce, pickles, tomatoes, olives, all on a sesame seed bun and throw it in here. Doesn't really matter.
You could use salmon or chicken or
shrimp or
lobster, turkey.
Yeah, just let your mind run wild. It's more of an outside the box thing. You could take a miniature taco and put it in here, but you're gonna get rolled up. It'd be a lot harder than you think.
Okay, after you get your cream cheese down, you take out as much meat as you want, and you put it on your tortilla. I'm actually going to cover my tortilla in meat this time.
I think I'll just use. Oh, there's quite a bit in here, so I'm not going to use the rest.
This way, every bite will have meat in it. And then you take your cheese stick and you pull off pieces of it and you stick it in your tortilla.
It's a scanner.
I wonder what happened with that cooldown.
I don't know. Or the accident on I-5.
People are probably racing. It's pretty stormy outside.
Really rainy.
Windy too.
Yeah, we're currently going through a miniature storm from a typhoon across the sea. Oh, look at a big piece.
Apparently the coast is getting rocked by tornadoes. Which is kind of rare because where we live at, we don't get tornadoes. Okay. My stomach is growling. And what you're going to do is you're going to roll it up as tight as you can get it.
That's where I failured at.
What?
Rolling it up. Okay. Throw that on there.
Okay. And if you need glue to keep the bottom down, go ahead and do that.
Not like literal glue. She meant cream cheese glue.
They know what I'm talking about. It's not like they're going to go, oh, she put glue on it.
Yeah, they might. I mean, there is glue sitting over by you.
They can't see that.
I can.
Whatever.
Okay, I think I got it.
So you're going to take off the nasty ends and eat those.
Yeah, feel free to eat those. You don't want anybody to see that kind of thing. And I don't recommend you use a butter knife, but I'm too lazy to get up and get a real knife. I think you cut about an inch off each side. Yeah.
And you can make them as big or as small as you want.
I said that already. I'm pretty sure after Thanksgiving we should make some more pinwheels with like turkey cranberry sauce.
Ew!
That yummy cranberry sauce from the
from Dollar Tree, yeah.
Yeah.
I just bit my piercing.
Smell them.
Okay.
Ow, I just poked myself.
So this is what they look like when they're done.
Yeah. Why can't I get it to focus over here? Yours is...
Because I'm wearing more black than you are.
Can you see that? Can you see that? What about that?
No.
That? Nah. I give up.
Okay, give me the plate.
Oh, let me throw mine on there.
Oh,
Apparently mine is a bunch of failures.
oh what the heck?
So, failures to launch.
Yeah, failures with lipstick on their chin.
And now we got lunch.
And so you stick them on however you want.
Plate doesn't matter.
There. And then that's it. You have your... there's no more brooms.
The brooms were delicious.
Let me just put one broom on there.
At least.
At least. Okay, there we go. So you have your brooms and your little broom goblin things.
Ooh,
And then you got your pinwheels and your cream cheese and sauce head dip and your tortillas chips.
And remember to go to our other video and sign up for the grab bag. There is a small cash prize in it.
You guys have 5 days.
5 days.
Alright, you guys, be safe. Remember.
Before you finish that sentence.
Why do you think I said remember?
No. Before you say that sentence, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
What do you think I was going to say?
You say it at the end of the video.
I was going to say, and remember to like,
No.
comment, and whatever. Remember, everybody, stranger danger is a real thing. Keep it safe, and happy Halloween, everybody.